Working modes. 3 axes. Pan axis moves camera view left and right. Tilt axis tilts smartphone up and down. Roll axis rotates the smartphone vertically. Working modes. iSteady V3 offers 4 gimbal working modes. Single press the mode button to switch working modes. PF. It allows the phone to pan left or right smoothly following the movements while maintaining a steady tilt and roll position. PTF. This mode enables the phone to follow the operator's pan and tilt movements. The roll axis remains locked to keep the horizon level. POV. This mode allows the phone to follow the movements in all directions. It offers a first-person perspective. L. The phone's orientation remains fixed regardless of the gimbal's movements. While in this mode, you can use the joystick to adjust the phone direction. The mode indicators show the current working mode,